To a visitor like me, the people of Batangas seem like a happy bunch, but they have a fearsome reputation among locals. The province was once crawling with anti-colonial revolutionaries. Even if the fighting has long gone, they still seem to have something vicious hidden up their sleeves. I'm riding through Batangas now, and I've noticed a ton of these knife stores. So, I've decided to stop and get a closer look. Now I see what's so special. These are all what we call in the US butterfly knives. And I've never seen any so big or quite so many because they're not allowed in the US at all. I've always wanted to learn how to use one, how to flip it open like a fan. So this is kind of a treat. I get to see them up close and in person. Oh my gosh. Like I said, some of them are huge. That's crazy. Hi, are you the shopkeeper?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
Oh, I'm just the owner. Owner's Batangas Place.
I'm so glad I found you. You have a beautiful assortment of deadly weapons.
Oh, it's not bad. You miss it though? In this place only where these balisong blades are assembled.
So it's very well known, this whole area, for the balisong.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you show me the proper way to open one and close one?
It is better in the outside because we are in a limited space here.
Okay.
We can make...
Oh my God.
So...
yeah, let's go outside. The balisong was invented in the Philippines 400 years ago. They started life as utility knives for jobs like slicing fruit. Unlike a Swiss Army knife, they could be opened and closed with one hand and easily tucked away. Unfortunately, that's exactly why they've been banned in several countries. Even in the Philippines, their use is restricted. So shops like this one are dying out, and with them, the tricks that made the butterfly knife so famous. This could be my last chance to learn a few moves.
I have an old knife, an old balisong. It belongs to my grandfather.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
How sharp is it?
No, we can test it with newspapers.
Newspapers?
Oh.
Now imagine if that were skin.
The first step is open the lock.
Unlock? Okay.
Yes. Then drop it.
Just like that?
Yeah. Then.
Whoa, what did you just do?
Okay. Yeah. Close. Yeah. Close.
I close it. Okay.
Yeah, close. Then flip.
And flip.
Yeah. Now. So it is a close and open first. So close, open. Yes.
Okay, so wait.
Close.
So
Yeah.
I just chopped my hand off.
No, you may twist it. One, two. Yes. The
Ow! I hope I didn't break it. Can't close it. I'll never get this.
Okay. Flip.
Flip.
Yeah. Okay.
It's so fast, I can't tell what he's doing. Flip. And
Close. Yeah. So.
it's a good thing this thing isn't
Okay.
sharp. Okay, I wasn't quite a blink of an eye, so show
Yeah.
me a blink of an eye. Let me
Okay.
step back first.
Oh no.
I want to do that one day. I want to be that good.
Yeah.
I need lots of practice. Wait till I master this thing. Ah, I blinked my eyes. I didn't see it. That is one scary skill to have.
Oh, give me your money.
Dead. I've seen the famous fish of Batangas. Under the waves, way above the water, and sitting on a sizzling hot plate. The next leg of my journey will take me further north. I'm not entirely sure what other unexpected animal encounters I'm going to have. I feel like I should not